All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to take just one of these buildings right here and group them together and then be able to put them anywhere in the world you want to. And it's going to be really quick, it's going to be really easy, and we're going to do it under 10 minutes. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, really cool episode here. I'm going to show you how to turn like an entire scene into a reusable blueprint. And it's really cool. So like if you wanted to like grab like maybe this piece here and then like control and then grab like that and that and that, and you wanted it all to be, you know, one blueprint that you could use multiple times, you know, like say it's like a group of buildings or something like that, then you're going to be able to do that after this episode. So make sure you like and subscribe, and it's going to be really cool. So all right, the first thing we need to do, I don't want to do it here, so let's create a new level. And it's fine, it can be just a little basic level, and just open that up. Let's click on this and delete it. And if you don't know how to do all this, I have tutorials in the beginner series, you know, on how to create a landscape and all that. So if you need to, you can go back and watch that. But now that we have our landscape created, we're going to need things to put out here. And I want it to look cool. I don't want it to look, you know, like a cube and all that. I want it to be cool. So let's go get something from Fab. And if we go over here to Fab and open it up, I have something that I got, and there's a lot of free stuff. If you want to get what I'm using, I'm not sure if it's free anymore or not, but if you would like to use it, then, you know, you can always get sign up on our Patreon and get all these project files for like $5 a month. But let me see, it was on here. Let me see if I can find it. Where's it at? Yeah, this fantastic village pack, that'll be good. And we're just gonna click plus and add it to our project. And just to show you, like, we're gonna get like all this stuff here in this project. And just a lot of stuff, like all these little, you know, buildings and that you get here, which is, you know, it's really cool. Perfect if you want to do like, you know, kind of like maybe a Zelda style game or something like that. Be a good little pack for that. But anyway, so waiting on it to add to our project down here. So as soon as it gets added, we'll jump right in. But yeah, as you can see, I'm not sponsored by Tidal Flash Studios, but I just think this is a really cool pack. So yeah, we're going to use it. All right, so 99% ROM. All right, we're here. Okay, good. All right, so I'm just going to take this and close this down. I like to open it up from the bottom. So let's open it up, and here's our fantastic village pack. And let's take a look at this. We have some blueprint buildings already that you can just drag onto the scene, and you'll have like, you know, a building that's a blueprint, but that's not exactly what we're trying to do here. But as you can see, though, not trying to just, you know, like promote the product and anything, but it looks really cool. But what we're looking for is just like the meshes, and that's what we're going to use. And let's see, build, see if we can find just like some meshes. Yeah, meshes. All right, here's some mesh buildings here that we can use. So just really quick, we're going to throw a few of these down, and let's see what all we have here. Yeah, we have this one here, so we're gonna have to put that there, and then let's drag, say, this one in, and let's move over here, and let's drag this one in here. Let's back out a little bit, and we'll create like almost like a little small little circle or town or something. Okay. All right, let's open this up, and we'll drag that in, and then drag this one. I want to come over here. We'll put a couple more. All right, and we can take this and drag it here, and this and drag it here. Okay, so what do we have right now? So right now we have like this little kind of village area here. And you know, say like you're gonna have multiple towns in your game, and you like this setup right here. Maybe you want to change, like, you know, the material a little bit, make it a different color or something. But as far as the setup, you don't have to go out there and place every building every single time. Well, there's a way that you can do this to where you can save all these buildings right here together, And then you can make a blueprint class with it and be able to just kind of drag that blueprint out in every place. So what you got to do is just click on each individual blueprint. And by doing that, just click on one and then hold Control. And then just hit each individual one until you have everything copied that you want. And depending on what version you're in, sometimes you can just like right click and it'll be on here on some of the older versions. But I think the best way to do it here is go right up here to where your level blueprint is, where the blueprint icon is, and just get this convert selection to blueprint class. Okay, and we want this to be an actor, and we're just going to rename this here to BP underscore buildings BP. All right. You name whatever you want. Okay, and then let's just save this like to our, let's save it to our content folder. Okay, just so we can find it easily. All right, now we have this in an entire reusable blueprint. All right, so now if we want to, we can just save this and close this out. But so we have these right here, and let's say that we want to have a village in this world, say, out over here. Instead of having to drag out every individual thing, and you don't have to just put that like buildings, like you can put just down to the grass and stuff that you put, the foliage that you put out. You can do it with that too, and just make the entire scene one blueprint. But all we got to do now is just go over here and grab this BP buildings, and look at that. Look how easy that is and how quick that is. All right, and same thing. You want it over here? Do something similar. Just come right over here into this corner, and look, that simple. You have multiple ones, and say like once you do that, you want all this to be boxed in. Okay, so let's just grab it and let's put another one here. And then at this point, we can just go in here and we can do whatever we want to it. Like we can rotate the whole thing around. And you see now we have like a really big town here. And, put a little road, a couple little things here and there, rotate these buildings in the right direction, and it's really that simple, guys. And this is something right here for a beginner that will save you a ton of time. I mean, absolute ton of time. Like I spent, like for some of you that's on my Discord and my Patreon members, like you guys know, I'm building the largest medieval game ever made, open world medieval game ever made. And it's been in development for over a year now. And I just finished chapter 1, if that tells you anything, of a 7 to 8 chapter game. So if I would have knew how to do this when I first started this, like I'd probably be on chapter 3 now. But I've spent so much time just trying to, place individual objects when I was trying to go for like the same exact feel, in the different towns, but just, a couple things slightly different. And as you can see here, look how quick we done this. I mean, we have all these buildings placed in our world, and we done that extremely fast. But yeah, guys, like and subscribe. Thank you for supporting the channel. We're growing really fast. Join my Patreon. It will help us out a lot on getting more videos out. Plus, you get all our YouTube files. You get all the files from our beginner series. And join the Discord as well. If you have any questions, we have devs on there that can help you. We're building a studio here at JMAC Games. All right, so be a part of that. You guys finish all my programs, we'll talk about even getting you a job here. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next one.